QuickBooks POS is being discontinued. Make the move to Shopify Point of Sale. If you're a store owner using QuickBooks POS, you may have recently heard the news that QuickBooks is discontinuing its point of sale system. While this may be unwelcome news, there is a silver lining. Shopify, one of the leading e-commerce platforms, offers a top-notch POS system that can replace QuickBooks Point of Sale without any issue. In this video, we'll outline some of the key features of Shopify POS and explain why making the switch is a good idea. Ease of use. One of the great things about Shopify Point of Sale is that it's incredibly easy to use. The interface is straightforward and intuitive, meaning that you'll be able to start using it right away with no issues. What's more, Shopify offers excellent customer support in case you do run into any problems. Click the link down below to talk to an expert about whether switching is the right move for you. Feature-rich. Shopify POS offers all of the features you need to run your store smoothly, including inventory management, order tracking, and reporting. Perhaps best of all, Shopify integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Shopify platform. So if you're already using Shopify for your e-commerce needs, then making the switch to Point of Sale will be a breeze. Affordable pricing. Shopify's pricing plans are very reasonable, especially considering all of the features on offer. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial to test out the system before committing to one of Shopify's monthly plans. All in all, making the switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify Point of Sale is a no-brainer, so why wait? QuickBooks POS is being discontinued, but don't worry, Shopify has you covered with its feature-rich and easy-to-use point of sale system. Making the switch is a good idea for any store owner looking for a reliable and affordable solution. So what are you waiting for? Try Shopify POS today. Click the link below to have a one-on-one talk with an expert.